Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're experiencing a flickering screen on your Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 5, you're not alone. This issue can stem from various factors, such as a faulty display cable or an outdated driver. If left untreated, it may worsen, potentially leading to more significant problems that could affect your device's functionality. To resolve this issue, you'll need a few tools, a screwdriver set, a plastic prying tool, some thermal paste if necessary, and an anti-static wrist strap to protect your device from static damage. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Place it on a flat, static-free surface. Using your screwdriver, carefully remove the screws from the back panel. Remember to keep them organized, as you'll need them later. Use the plastic prying tool to gently open the back casing, starting from one corner and working your way around. Be cautious not to damage any clips or the casing itself. Once you have the back panel off, locate the display cable. This is usually a flat, ribbon-like cable connected to the motherboard and the screen. Carefully disconnect it by gently pulling it out of its socket. If the cable appears damaged, it will need replacing. To do this, remove any screws securing the cable in place, then take out the old cable. Position the new cable in the same manner, securing it with the screws you just removed. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After replacing the cable, reconnect it to the motherboard, ensuring it is firmly in place. Before reassembling, it's a good idea to power on your device to check if the flickering issue has been resolved. If everything is functioning correctly, proceed to replace the back panel, carefully aligning it and securing it with the screws you removed earlier. Finally, remember to keep your drivers updated and regularly check for any loose connections to prevent this issue from recurring. If you follow these steps, you should be able to enjoy a flicker-free screen once again. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.